Dear friends, COVID pandemic is still showing an escalating trend even after close to 4 weeks of lockdown. Its widespread effect has brought the whole globe to a literal standstill. All of us are feeling its adverse effect, maybe to different degrees. We all at Jhabua Power have also been affected, and we are trying to deal with the situation to our level best. We are definitely grappling with a problem which is mostly unknown about how long it will last, how long it will eventually go away, what effect will it ultimately leave behind, when will we be able to return to our office, and how will it be when it actually happens. In these circumstances, I thought that it would be more proper to talk to you through a video message rather than giving a customary written message. Though I have been interacting with many of you as well as with the senior management on a daily basis, I will take this opportunity to ask all of you, how are you all doing? How are you and your family getting adapted to the new way of daily life? I understand that there are apprehensions about our financial security and our children's education post-COVID. Since there is uncertainty, it is natural that there will be apprehensions and fear. I shall try to address some of them. Believe me, I shall not sugarcoat anything. First, none of us has a great deal of clarity about what lies ahead. We are not sure whether our lives will be back to normal in a month, or in 3 months, or in 6 months. Some say it can take up to a year. We all wish the sooner it happens, the better. But the good thing is that we are in power sector and it has already started to look up of late, though feebly. The collective actions that we all initiated in the initial days of the lockdown and the way you all acted to keep the plant running during the lockdown has given us better chances to remain steady in the coming few months when the revival takes place. Employees of Jhabua Power have maneuvered through tougher situations in the past, though at that time the situation was limited to our company. Our culture has always been to fight out the adversity together. I believe in the professional and personal capabilities of each of you, and I believe even more on our joint capabilities. We are definitely dealing with a problem at hand. We have a long-term goal of establishing the company as one of the most efficient and satisfying workplace, isn't it? I encourage all of you to pose questions to me through a call or through a message about any problem that might be creating apprehensions in you. During these difficult times, we must maintain good health and positive outlook. Make the best use of the extra time that you might be having. Keep yourself busy. That is the best way to keep fear and apprehension at bay. Thanks for being such nice colleagues and team members. I wish you and your family the pink of health.